Here is my Hot Wheels and Matchbox display that I built. There's actually two sections I built, I don't know, about 20 years ago when I put I attached them to a 2x4 frame and then put one on top of the other. I can't tell where the joint. Okay, I think right about here is where the upper part and the lower part join together. The wood here is lath I bought from Menards. It's basically about 1 inch wide by about, I'd say about 3/8 inch thick. Back then, Menards was selling packages of lath, and you would get the lath, except some of the pieces would be, not the full width at one end. Would have knot holes in them and stuff. And actually, I think I bought 2 of them and sorted all of the good ones out of them and put the bad ones in one and returned the bad one. And they let me do that once, but they didn't let me do it the second time. But I have a lot of Mustangs, because I'm into Mustangs mainly. Mustangs, Fox Body Mustangs. I have some Corvettes, some Camaros, and sports cars. And then I got a bunch of these Matchbox snowplow trucks. I have a lot of different variations of them. I think they're cool. Let me see, where are my favorite cars? These 2 Corvettes came from, I think it was either a 5-pack or a 10-pack. I think this was in a 5-pack at Target in the late 80s or early 90s. This is one of my top 10 favorite cars. It's just beautiful. I just really like it. This one, another Corvette drag car. I don't know if that came in a 5-pack or what. I don't know. The hood lifts up on it. And of course, these cars are not sandboxed. Maybe I should do another video of just the Fox Body cars, but I got quite a few. I've tried to arrange these in era. On top, starting with the oldest style Mustang, going up to the newer ones, to the 70s, and then what, 71s in there. Oh wait, there's the brown one. That's a Mustang 2. I don't know who made it, but oh well, I don't have my glasses on. Then some early Fox Body Hot Wheels. Where else? I tried custom painting this car. And I actually did pretty good job, and stupid me, I stripped the paint off of it again, trying to make it look just like an 83 Mustang GT, including the black hood scoop. And I should go back. I haven't worked on that car in probably 35 years. I should try and remake it again. On Facebook, there is a Fox Body model Fox Body forum there. And oh, someone took a picture of one of these. Someone had one or two of these still in the package, and I got that one brand new. And of course, I don't race these. I'm 52 years old, and any car that's been sandboxed is a car that I got at a garage sale. I should look into this car. This is a 65 Mustang. Looks like it steers. Yeah, it does steer. Okay. I got more Mustangs in storage totes here and stuff, but and then in boxes. I have, I don't know, 1,000, maybe 1,200 Hot Wheels. I actually did sell a bunch of Hot Wheels about 20 years ago. I went through a purging mode, and I think I sold probably 800 or 1,000 Hot Wheels. But there's a McLaren F1 right there. Let's see, I got another one right here. Another McLaren F1. It's really dusty. I should wipe the dust off of it. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Then I got another car behind. Sorry, this room is dusty. I need to vacuum the floor. Yeah, that is a Fox Body Mustang race car. And yeah, I got quite a bit. Anyway, well, please like and subscribe. Oh, I'm sorry, I totally forgot. I glued. I just used Elmer's wood glue to glue these to the plywood sheeting. It's just, you know, probably the thinnest plywood available. It's pretty sturdy, you know, once you glue these to the plywood. It's pretty sturdy. And you don't dare try and move one of these with the cars on it. They're just going to fall off, and it's going to be extremely heavy. Anyway, well, thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.